Yes, girl. What the fuck, girl?
Candle and black mask.
Oh my fucking. Good morning, guys. So now I'm gonna go out and eat breakfast with my family. Just a little family bonding time. And I just straightened my hair and changed my clothes, and now we're going out. So I'll see you there.
Burger King.
We are still trying to find. Wait, what? We are still trying to find a restaurant for breakfast. I'm so hungry. There are not a lot of shops here, I think. Or maybe we've not walked enough. Breakfast. Oh.
Cái miệng容易鬧嘅，
Bang
容易鬧。
bang.
但啊，那些 cases 真係是水。
Our food is here.
回去不是可以。
Oh my god.
Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you.
Oh, we're gonna go book xcess. We bought some books. Whoa. So I bought a book, which is this. Okay, this is my first sciencey book because I saw a sample and I really like the illustration inside. So yeah, I bought this book. And now I'm just waiting for my parents because they are buying groceries. And later I'm gonna go home, and later at night I'm gonna go to my friend's house and we're gonna BBQ together. It's currently 3 p.m. I mean 3:30, and now I'm gonna go to my friend's house and we're gonna buy some food for tonight's barbecue. Today's so damn hot. The weather's so damn hot today, and I'm so lazy. And I'm literally sweating. I'm sweating so badly right now. Okay, no, I'm gonna die. So hot. Front seat reserved only for the mama. My face is full of pimples. I'm breaking out right now. I don't even know why. Is it because of my period now? My fit for the day, just a simple black top with jeans and a blue bag. Driver for the day. Oh no, please don't. What the fuck? Bro. Genuinely terrified, but okay. I'm seriously panicking because we need to buy barbecue food, but we are so damn late and we forgot that we need to defrost the meat and all those. Oh my god. And it's already 5. It's nearly 5. And 6 we're gonna meet. No veggies. That's fine. Let's fucking go.
没有，
Okay.
我们在东泰学到什么东西？我们完全没学到东西耶。哎，我不太没有时间啊。
Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Are here. Jen. Okay. Okay. There is a huge moon. The moon is so clear and there are stars in the sky. Today was a good day. Good morning, guys. Good freaking morning, guys. So later, my dad's gonna fetch me to Mid Valley because I'm gonna do my facial because my face is like seriously breaking out. I don't know why, but I started breaking out since I started working. I don't know if it's my problem or it's just too dusty or I'm not getting enough sleep or something, but I don't know. I'm really breaking out very, very badly, and I can't even use my skincare right now because it'll just make it worse. So I don't really know what to do, and CNY is coming, and oh my god, I'm just stressing out about my face the first thing in the morning. Not a really good sign. Yeah, so I'm gonna go shower and brush my teeth and all, and just I'll see you there. Hi, now we're at Mid Valley and I'm gonna do my facial later. Yay! Chinese New Year decorations. Oh my god, really feeling that New Year vibe. Okay, my face looks so much better right now. Yeah, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Done with facial and we bought some things and now we're gonna go get dinner. Lego. There are a lot of people. Dinner. Chocolate dumpling.
Dark chocolate very good.
It's a hiking day. We're gonna go hiking. Rest time. Tired. We're going down now. Let's go. The end of our hiking trail. Let's go. We're gonna go get breakfast together. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Breakfast time. So I forgot to film my ending for my weekend vlog, I guess. So here's the ending. This week has been kind of busy and I'm kind of a mess because of my face and I'm kind of insecure. But that's fine. I guess everyone has those days. So yeah, I'm gonna end my video here. Bye. I'll see you in my next vlog, and remember to take care of yourself and just try not to compare yourself to other people as much. I'm still trying my best to do so. It's not going very well. So yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog. Take care of yourself. Please remember to take care of yourself and just look forward to CNY. It's gonna be a very happy celebration. Bye and good night.